Linus, do you follow any development of any new programming languages? Do you see any language except C which is suitable for development of operating system?
So I have to say, I'm kind of old-fashioned, and I'm really interested. The reason I got into Linux or operating systems in the first place was I really love hardware. I love tinkering with hardware. Not in the sense that I'm a hardware person. Giving me a soldering iron is a bad idea. But I like interacting with hardware from a software perspective. And I have yet to see a language that comes even close to C in that respect. It's not just that C, you can use C to generate good code for hardware. It's that if you think like a computer, writing C actually makes sense. I mean, and I think the reason it works that way is the people who designed C designed it at a time when when compilers had to be simple and the language had to be kind of geared towards what the output was. So when I read C, I know what the assembly language will look like. And that is something I care about. I don't do a lot of programming myself anymore. I'm a technical lead person. I merge other people's code. But if you go and look in the Linux Git history and look at what I do, the last few months, the kind of code I've changed, I made sure our file and path lookup takes as few cache misses as possible. And all that code is C, but in order to really be able to, it's optimized at the level where I worry about single instructions kind of thing, and especially single cache misses. And I love doing that because it's completely, to some degree people say you should not micro-optimize. But if what you love is micro-optimization, that's what you should do. And we made sure our algorithms are good before we started the micro-optimization. So I'm very proud of the fact that we look up path names way faster than anybody else, I guarantee it, right? And we can do it in parallel on a 1,000 CPU machine with no contention. That is something that has happened in the last 18 months, and that is impressive. You don't know how impressive it is until you've worked with that code for, I thought we'd never get there, but we're there now. So that's the kind of thing that really